Hi besties, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this handprint thingy on my jeans using bleach. So yeah, this is my jeans. As you can see, I use the jeans that I have over one, by the way, just in case anything goes wrong. So what you want to do is decide on the pattern you want, decide on the design you want. I decided to use handprint because I don't know, I just felt like it would look nice on jeans, and I've not really seen anyone put their handprint on jeans before. So I said, why not? Let's get it, let's do it. And I called my friend who's an artist though to like help me, like to know if he saw the vision too. And it was like, it looks like to be calm. So I said, yeah, let's do it. I started, I was basically just freestyling, like placing my hand on different places to see how it will like work, to see if it will work out. Yeah, we're trying to join the jeans together to put one at the center, but then Nepal did their thing. So I decided to just join it without the lights, the one at the center, and then I continued. I was trying to make sure I didn't put like my full handprint all over the jeans, like it would probably look scattered that way. So I was just trying to make it scanty. I just like make it look nice, make it look. I don't know the word to use, but I wanted it to give it like a feel, like make it look abstract. Is that the word? I don't think that's the word. I did one at the back too, in a way. Like the idea was that like someone slapping your ass or something. Yeah, that was the idea. So I was done putting my designs. Next thing you want to do after putting your designs to your desired taste is to start the bleaching process. Here's where our nylons come in handy. The whole point of putting the nylon is so the bleach doesn't bleed to the other side of the jeans. Just put it under where you want to bleach at that moment, so it doesn't bleed to the other side. I was using the paintbrush because I felt like I wanted to feel like an artist. I'm not even going to lie, because I always like I've always wished I could paint. So this was like me just living my dreams, I guess. But then I remember that it's DIY. I'm supposed to show you guys how you can use things you have readily available to you. So I ended up using my toothbrush, I think after this part. But yeah, this is me using the paintbrush. So what you want to do is paint it carefully or trace it carefully. I don't know why my chalk was cleaning. I'm guessing it was not like thick enough. But yeah, you want to just trace it carefully so it doesn't leave like chunks by the side. I did this one already, the one by the bottom of the jeans, and it was not neat. In fact, I don't think anyone was neat because I was too excited and I was just making it go all over the place. And it was so messy, as you can see. Like I'm not really following the handprint, but that's your point. we're experimenting, we're trying something new. It does not have to be perfect. It's supposed to be an exciting process, and honestly I was so excited because I've always wanted to bleach, but I just never found the right way to like put it out. And I just felt like this was the perfect medium because I was not bleaching the entire thing. I feel like I'm talking too much, but you guys already have a choice. So yeah, I was not bleaching the entire jeans, I was just bleaching some parts. So it was a good experience for me. Yeah, I went back to using my paintbrush. It's not even mine, it's my friend, but yeah, I went back to using it because why not? My 5 seconds of feeling like an artist that I am not. Putting the nylons just to make sure it doesn't bleed to the other side. You can use cartons or something, just put whatever, honestly. Yeah, I'm almost done at this point. This video is going to be so short. I think it's going to be like, I feel like I'm rapping, but yeah, I think it's going to be like my shortest video. So yeah, next thing you want to do is leave it out to dry. It's gonna say it's coming out, it's showing already. Leave it out to dry under direct sunlight, and then after like 24 hours, wash it alone. Don't include soap. And this is the final result. I wore it out. I was so proud of my baby, and I wore it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.